This is a mini smartphone. It is not inferior to ordinary smartphones at all. It's very powerful, using the Android 10 system and supporting a large number of PPS. 3 GB of additional 64 GB of memory to ensure smooth software operation, with a 3-inch HD screen. Perfect for watching movies and daily broadcasting. Mini smartphones are small in size and easy to carry. There are 3 different colors to choice. It has a transparent case, so you can work anytime, anywhere. And it can also be used as a hard core. 4G communication technology can quickly access the internet and make video calls. Rear camera, easy to capture high-quality photos. Front camera, more focused on serving selfies.